Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Facebook groups for connecting with other study abroad students. Quick tutorial step-by-step. Begin by logging into your Facebook account. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top to type in study abroad groups. Explore the list of available groups related to studying abroad. Click on the group that interests you to view more details. Look for the Join Group button on the group page. Click the Join Group button to send a request. Wait for the group admin to approve your request. Once approved, navigate back to the group page. Familiarize yourself with the group rules and guidelines. Introduce yourself by creating a new post. Share your study abroad plans and ask questions. Engage with other members by commenting on their posts. Join discussions to learn more and offer your insights. Utilize the group's search feature to find specific topics. Post photos or updates from your study abroad experience. Join live events or webinars hosted by the group for real-time interaction. Connect with fellow group members through direct messaging. Remember to be respectful and supportive in your interactions. Maintain an active presence to build meaningful connections. Reflect on your experiences and share helpful resources with others. Use the group as a platform for networking and building friendships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.